I am fortunate and delighted to sing to be part of this wonderful movie. It's called Suryanna, and it is directed and acted by him, main lead. And the song is about Bhagwan Shiv, Madappa. So I am super delighted and excited to share this with you. Please watch this movie.
ಸ್ಟಡಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಲ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಸೂರ್ಯಣ್ಣ